Starting with an understanding of your information lifecycle throughout your enterprise allows InfoGov.com to optimize efficiency, security, and resiliency in any business in any industry.
The InfoGov.com methodology discovers your needs and coordinates strategic partners from each domain: business, IT, security, risk, legal, records information management, and data governance, to activities the company should execute for a successful information governance program. 1. Info discovery. Records and data. Where is your company's data? How much information is in the enterprise? How is information actually used? 2. Governance. Who owns the information by department? Who uses the information? Who is responsible for the information? What laws or regulations apply? 3. Policy. Are there documented policies and procedures about how and when should information be used, stored, shared, archived, and deleted? 4. Training. How will employees and contractors be informed and educated about information handling? 5. Unstructured data. What capabilities and controls can optimize and protect information in physical documents, email, file shares, cloud, websites, social media, audio, video, etc.? 6. Structured data. What capabilities and controls can optimize and protect information in databases and applications? 7. Risk management. Are the risks and threats to the information understood? What are the inefficiencies? How is the information monitored and reported? All of these questions can lead to actions that should be taken no matter what compliance or regulatory framework you are working with. In some cases, an integrated framework will make it even more efficient for a company to track multiple requirements.
The InfoGov.com methodology and RACI templates provide graphical formatting to customize departments and roles. Roadmap, estimated level of effort templates accelerate enterprise adoption and identify opportunities for improvement. We will work with clients to complete them and determine the priority. RACI stands for Responsible, Accountable, Consulted, and Informed. The chart allows us to clearly define roles and responsibilities for carrying out the actions of the InfoGov program on an ongoing basis. The person responsible is a doer of an activity. The person accountable is a person who is ultimately answerable for the activity. The person consulted is a person who is consulted prior to a decision or action. The person informed is a person who is told after a decision or action is taken.
Lastly, we will provide improvement recommendations based on research conducted by our teams, customized training for your employees, dynamic dashboard reporting for your leadership, and ongoing support through our coaching sessions. We are building digital trust through data, information, knowledge, and wisdom. The upcoming courses provide more detail on how to quickly and accurately implement an InfoGov program for our strategic partners and clients. We look forward to seeing you there.